n8n is an incredible tool for building automations, but if you've looked at their cloud pricing, you know that success can get expensive. The more your automations run, the higher your monthly bill goes. But there is another way. Today, I'm showing you how to run the full version of n8n on your own computer. This means no monthly subscription, no limits on how many times your workflows run, and your data stays private on your own hard drive. Beyond the cost savings, it's about control. When n8n lives on your Mac, Windows, or Linux machine, it can talk directly to your local files and databases. It's faster, it's private, and yours. Whether you're a solo creator or a business owner, this setup gives you an automation lab that's always on and never sends you an invoice. To do this, we use a tool called Docker. Docker is an app that lets you run other apps in a clean, isolated environment. On the Docker website, go ahead and download the application, Docker Desktop, and install it on your machine if you don't already have it. After installing the application, you can go ahead and bring it up. You can go ahead and open your terminal or PowerShell. We are going to paste these lines of code. But before we do that, let's take a minute and break down these commands. Try to understand. When you run this command, docker volume create n8n_data, think of this like a dedicated memory card for your server. This creates a volume where all the workflows, credentials, and automations you build will be saved. Without this, your work would vanish every time you restarted the app. This one line makes your setup permanent. Next, you run this command. Now, as you can see here, this command has a lot of moving parts, so let's take each one and explain. Docker run. This is the start button. You are telling Docker to create a brand new container and get to work. Next, this command is just housekeeping. It lets you interact with the process in your terminal and automatically cleans up the temporary files once you stop the session. Next, we are giving this container a name, so it's easy to find later in your Docker dashboard. This is the doorway. You are opening a port so your web browser can talk to the n8n software inside the container. Now, this is the most important part. It's the safety vault. This volume ensures that your workflows and credentials are saved to your hard drive. Without this, if you close the application, all your work would be deleted. And finally, this is the source code. You are telling Docker to go to the official n8n library and grab the latest version of the software. Now go ahead and run it. Once you see this, it means your application has installed correctly. So you can go ahead and open up your browser, type in the URL. Congratulations, you're officially running your own automation server. Now we have to talk about the only catch with running locally. Right now, your n8n instance is in ghost mode. It can see the internet, but the internet can't see it. If you try to use a webhook from an app like Stripe or Typeform or Gmail, the signal will hit your router and bounce right off. Your workflows will never trigger. If you are just in a hurry and want to test a single webhook right now, there is a cheat code. You can add this flag to your command, n8n tunnel equals true. When you hit enter, n8n will give you a temporary public URL in the terminal. It's a great quick fix for a 5-minute test, but there is a major downside. The moment you restart n8n, that link dies. You would have to go back and update all your apps with a new URL every single time. It's a headache. For a professional permanent fix, you want a Cloudflare tunnel. This creates a secure encrypted bridge from your own domain directly to your computer. It stays the same forever, it's completely free, and it's the secret to making your home computer behave like a world-class automation server without opening any dangerous holes in your network. I have a video where I break this down and provide step-by-step instruction to set this up. You've officially escaped the subscription trap and the execution limits. You have the engine, now you just need to give it a phone number so that it can talk to the world. I've created a dedicated step-by-step guide on setting up that Cloudflare tunnel properly. Click right here to watch that next, and I'll see you over there.